in this training, I'm going to show you how to rearrange your menu. So you can see from here, our menus are not very well arranged, and also how to create drop-down menus. So you might want to create drop-down menus, on your website. And also, to conclude this section, I'm going to show you how to install some, functionalities on your site, like a chat plugin, a WhatsApp plugin, and just anything that you think of. You can just go ahead and start implementing on your website. So let's go back to our back end, and I'll go to menus. So you can see that the gallery menu is before the contact. So I'm going to bring the contact down, so you see that, and I'll click on save menu, and I will just refresh this page. So you cannot see that the contact menu is at the last, which is what we want. So let's say you want to create a drop down menu. Let's say you want the contact us to be under the gallery. So just move it like this a little bit. So that's like this. Just move it and save like this. So if I refresh like this, see that. So when you put your mouse here, you see the contact us here. So that is how to build drop down menu. So if you want to build more than one drop down, you just move them here, move them here, move them here. But that's not what I want to do, so I want to move this back. So just save this and go back here and refresh this page, and I am very cool with this. So I want to go ahead and install the WhatsApp plugin so that people can contact us directly from our WhatsApp, from their WhatsApp. From our website, they can actually get to our WhatsApp. So I just go to add new plugins, then add new, then I'll type WhatsApp. Just put on WhatsApp there, and see something like click to chat. Yes, it's a very good one. Just put it there, and I'll be able to activate this. So I'll see click to chat here. I'll just click to chat, and you see WhatsApp number. So you say enter WhatsApp number. Here 91 is the country code. So in this place we just do 234, that is the country code, and the WhatsApp number. So let's just get the WhatsApp number of these from here. So just get the WhatsApp number and add that there. Yes, so I scroll down, so it's going to show WhatsApp also. You can change us, send message. Just do that. Then where do you want it to appear, on the right hand or the left hand? Bottom, cool, but I want it to appear on the left hand on the bottom. So I just click on save changes, and I go back to my website and just refresh it. Yes, so right away you see the WhatsApp send message. So when somebody click on that, it takes them to WhatsApp to send you message from your website. But that's not what I want to do. So the next thing I'm going to look at, the plugin I'm going to look at, is I want to install a live chat so that people can chat on my website live and directly. So I'll go to add new, and I'll do the Tidio chat. There are a lot of live chat plugin, but I like the Tidio chat because I use it a lot and it's working very perfectly well for me. So this is the Tidio live chat. So I'm just click on install now, then I'll activate it. So you see that when you install a plugin, the next thing for you to do is to activate it. So I come here and I'll see the live chat, so I'll just click on Tidio chat. So I'll just enter my website email, so let me just take this, and info@ventureglobal.com. Alright, so click on let's go. So So I'll give you the name Fed Get Global. That's the name of my company, and I want to choose the red, and I can upload an avatar, which is the image of my company. So this is the image of my company, my logo. So I'll just click on continue. Online store, so which kind of business are you into? Which country? I'll just say Nigeria. Choose my country, and that's my email, and I can say services, and I agree. Then I click on continue. So ask them like to greet you, ask them if they like to order. No, just greet them warmly. So when somebody come on my website, say hi there. If you need any assistance, I'm always available here. So you can also customize it here, but that's not what I want to do. I just click on continue. Right, so just click on change password. Okay, so also use email as my password, so I'll just put on there, show info at. So anything you want, just do that, put that there, and I'm going to click on change password, and I'm going to click on OK. So the live chat plugin has already been installed on my website, so I'll just refresh that. Right, so just refresh that and scroll down. Before you know it, look at it, it's going to come up. So say hi, how are you? Press enter. First time you're coming to the site, it asks you to enter your email if the person chatting with you is not online, so you just click on. So when you do that, so you come here and you come down here and you see the live chat, so anybody can engage with you. So you're going to send this link and the username and password I will just change to the owner of the site. And this app, I also like it. It has it has an app, so you can install the app on your phone and people can chat you and you can reply to them on the go. Say hi, can we help you? So press enter. So let's go back to the site. You see that? Yes, I need an award. Click. So go back there. See that? Can we help you? So just click on here back. Yes, I need an award plate. So that is how it works. But one more functionality that I want to show you is you might have to want to add a blog session to your website where you can upload content every day, right? So where you can upload content for people to come and read more about your business on your website. Though there's a section dedicated on this training where we talk about blogging, monetizing and all of that, but let us add this blog session to our already existing site. So all you have to do is just go to add new and create a new page, then call it blog or news, whatever you want to call it. So don't do anything, just click on publish. Right, so just go to your appearance and go to menu and arrange it the way you want it to be. So I want this contact us to come before it, so I'll just click on save menu. Then you just go to settings, then you go to reading, then you come here and say post page should be blog, and you save changes. So when someone comes into your site and go to the blog section of your site, click on blog, so the person will come to the blog section of your website. So this is the blog section of your website, and you see you only have one post, which is the hello world post. And how do you know you have that one post, and how do you put posts? So you just come to posts and all posts, So you see that this is the post you have on your website. So I'll go ahead and delete this post. I'm going to trash this post. So I'll go to eDesign articles. Let's say I want to get articles for my blog. So I'll go to eDesign articles and I'll say Awardflix. So rewarding Awardflix. So open that up. I get good articles from eDesign articles, and so I'll just copy all of these here. So I'll take that to Notepad first and remove this. Go to take it back to my website. So I'll go to post, then I'll go to add new post. So I'll just put the post here. And what is the title? The title is Rewarding Awardflix. So I'll put the title here, Rewarding Awardflix. So rewarding Awardflix. So I also take this and put it on Google, or I can go to Pixabay, so I can get an image. For every post you make, there is a featured image. So that's the same reason why you go to Vanguard. So let me show you something in Vanguard. So when you open any of this newspaper website, so you must see an image associated with the story, right? So you must see an image like this associated with the story. So it's called a featured image. So you might want to do that. So let me see if I can, something like play. So you look for a very good image that, you know, describes what you are actually posting. Alright, so I like this image, and I also like this image. So I can just open this in a new tab and I can save this. Let me save it on my resources and I will call it Awards Place. So let me go back to my blog posts. So you just scroll down here and you see featured image. Can you see that? Featured image. So click on that, load files, select files, and you put that image there. So just click on set featured image. Then another thing you might want to set is category. So you just add new category. You can say awards. Then click on add category. So you assign that article to that particular category. So let's add that category. Add new category, awards. Okay, I don't know why it's second time, so let's just publish. So if we go to our website right here and click on blog, so you see that I have a blog post. So when I click on this, you see it's showing on categorizer what I don't want. It shows me the full content and I can comment. So let me just go back and see if we can. Okay, I'll remove this and put it on awards. I'm going to update that. So I want to put one more articles here. I want to play star attributes. So just open this up and come here and copy all of this content right here. So if you study the content writing course, copywriting course, you see it's wrong for you to just copy people's content and put on your website. So you have to edit them, but this is for training purpose. I want to play a star attribute, so I just go here and go to all posts. I will see that particular post. Look at it here. If I want to edit it, I can go back here, but I want to add news, so I paste this here, award, and I'll give you the title, award star attribute. So I'll look for another featured image. I will say awards. Let me say awards. So the title of your article is usually what you use to search image. So I like using image from Pixabay and all of that. So I love this. So I'll just open this up and I'm going to save this. For these awards, so go here and featured image. Set featured image is very important. Upload, select file, and that is it. So click on this and I want to add a category again. So add new category. I can call this plagues. So press enter, just go there and I'm going to publish this. So when I go to blog again, so the newest blog is the first that you will see. So it's just like a very new and recent information. So you can see that the newest blog is what you will see, star attribute, and you can see the date posted and the category, and you can see all of that. So one more thing I want to do is that I want to put something like a recent news, recent comment, and all of that there. And this is done from the widget part of the website. So but you first of all install it as a plugin. So let's go to add new, and I can say recent news with thumbnails, recent posts here, something like that, recent posts with thumbnails. So I like this. I'm going to install that and activate. So you can see that plugin is actually everything. So I'll just go to appearance and I'll go to widgets. So everything that you see on this side of the site from your blog session is called widgets. So recent news, right? Recent news. Okay, look at it, recent posts. So I'll just move this up, you just drag and you paste it there, and you just say recent posts. Right, so you scroll down and you can just look at it and do some of the configuration right there, but I'm okay with it, with that configuration. So I can add as many as I want to add. I can add my navigation menu, my sidebar. So I can add an image if I want to. This image, hold this image, select this image, and let's go to my downloads. Okay, let's say I want to add this image. I just put that image I previously used before. So I put that there, so you can see that. Can put a title for this, and I can put a link. Say I want this to link. So let's say somebody paid you for an advert, so you can put the advert, design an image of the advert and put here, and say let's say I want to, direct this to my website. So I'll just put www.webit.com, right? But that's not what I want to do. I don't want to direct that to anywhere. So I'm just going to save that. And when I come to the blog part of my website, I'm going to refresh that, and you can see that the recent posts, all of them will be showing here, recent comment, and you see the awards, right? So let's go back to our home page and go back to our blog. So see all our blog posts. You want to read the full blog post, just click on the title, and the blog post is going to open up for you. This is very, very powerful, and we have done justice to this web development course. So go ahead and do your designs, something better that you can be able to charge 200,000, 400,000, 300,000, 150,000, 100,000, and even 50,000. So before I conclude on this session, there's something I want to talk about, and that is charging. How to charge your clients, right? How to charge your clients. A lot of people ask me, they don't know how best to charge their clients. So what I advise you is that before you charge your client, always try to ask your client what are their budgets. Because if a client pays you 50,000 naira, with just 10,000 naira, you'll be able to set up the domain name and the hosting, and you see a 40,000 naira to yourself. And even if the client pays you 30,000, you can still do it, and you can still have it to yourself. I have personally designed a site that I would have done for somebody for 50,000, and I did it for another person for 500,000. So do not be very fast to tell your client, hey, I'm charging you this. Even if your client are asking you, say, what is your charge? Try to play around the bush. Okay, what is your business name? Let me search for your business name. So you go ahead and search for the name, and if the name is available, you tell them, say, wow, your name is available, and you start asking them, okay, do you have content? Do you have this? Or you want me to do this for you? Or you want me to do that for you? Some of them will even still be saying, hey, how much are you going to charge me? So you just tell them your charges are good, and you're not, really bothered about the charge. You want to just deliver a good job so that the person will come back to you. So, but if the person keep insisting, then you can say, okay, what is your budget? So there are some clients that will tell you, I don't have a budget, so you just tell me, right? So you cannot say, normally the kind of site you want, I usually do it for 100,000 to 150,000. But I'm not going to charge you that. That's why I was asking you, what is your budget? I've used that strategy over and over again. There was a particular client that I even wanted to charge 30,000 naira because I knew her very well. And I asked her, what's your budget? After showing her some of my jobs that are good, and I told her, hey, you see this job, I did it for 150,000. You see this job, I did it for 130,000. You see this job, I did it for 200,000. But what I'm going to do for you will be far better than what I did for this guy. So how much is your budget? I say, oh, please, can you do it for me 50,000? Wow. So you can see that strategy. It's really works. You cannot acquire this knowledge and be broke. So go ahead, do your designs, full designs, and go out there and start making money and dishing out what you know to people. Thank you very much.